All right, y'all, come thrifting with me in Goodwill today. And while we are walking these aisles together, I've got to ask, how is your Christmas season going so far? We've been fighting a couple of sicknesses over here, but other than that, we are doing really good. So, are you one of those people who's already completely finished shopping, gifts wrapped, bows on, everything's tucked away? Or are you like me and still finding one more thing every time you think you are done? Also, tell me this, do you wrap as you go, or do you save it all for one big wrapping marathon? We personally, my husband and Elizabeth will do the same thing. We get everything out at one time. So my husband and I for years have done what we call a wrapping marathon. We pull everything out about a week before Christmas and we start wrapping everything and getting it ready. So let us know, what do you do? And what about traditions? What's one Christmas tradition you do every single year that you absolutely love? Every Thanksgiving, we go on a family hayride. My sister and her family come. Sometimes our neighbors will come, and we take a big speaker and we play Christmas music, and we just go down some dirt roads and have a fun family time on a hayride. And it's kind of just a way for us to get ready to kick off the Christmas season, and everyone absolutely loves it. So definitely share some of your traditions because we just love hearing those things. There are so many sweet ideas that people do that others might never think of. So if you've got a favorite tradition or even a new one you started recently, drop it in the comments and share it with all of us. And listen, if you are still in that busy season, in between season where things feel a little rushed, just know you are not alone. We are all kind of juggling it right now and just doing the best that we can. So before I go, I do want to say this real quick. We are right in the middle of an extremely busy Christmas season, as you all know this, and especially during Thriftmas, the videos that I put up every day during the Christmas season, things move a little differently around here. I will be back tomorrow with a thrift haul from today's trip, so don't worry, it's coming. Sometimes during Thriftmas, I break the thrift with me and the haul into 2 days just to keep things manageable for myself. That is not my normal rhythm here on YouTube. If you are new, I usually put it all together in one video, but during Thriftmas, every now and then I spread it out so I can keep showing up consistently. Thank you so much for being here and going thrifting with me. And y'all seem to really like the other day when I asked, what do you think I purchased from today's thrifting trip? So you can also drop that in the comments with a lot of the other questions I was asking y'all in the video. But yeah, y'all, we hope you have a wonderful evening. We love y'all, and I'll see you back here tomorrow with a brand new video.